Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the day one of 120 days profitability challenge. This is a challenge in which I will take 120 days to become a profitable trader. Yes, it's a challenge I'm taking and I'm embarking on, and this is the day one of it. So basically today, all that I went through is to just plan and put things together based on how I want to take these 120 days. That's basically like 4 months. So I'm going to take this 120 days, try as much as possible to become a profitable trader. I know it's going to be challenging. That is why it is called a challenge. But then I will pursue this and document every little aspect of it right here on this channel. So if you are here on this very day, which is day one, I would like you to just hit that like button and also leave a comment below. Let me know you are part of this journey from day one. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let's move this together. I will equally need your support on this journey. Probably just maybe your words of motivation might go a long way. Who knows? That alone, or your strategies, like any advice at all that you have that you can share with me on this journey, just go ahead and do that, because I want to see how possible is it for someone to become profitable trading in the forex market within 120 days. That's basically 4 months. I don't know if it is possible, but yes, the only thing I know is that for everything that we put our mind to, we are highly, likely to get this thing. So I'm putting my mind to it that within 120 days, I have to become a profitable forex trader. And I so much believe in it. Even though I don't know if it's possible or not, but I so much believe in this. Trust me, I believe in this. But just a quick disclaimer, I am not starting this challenge from a very scratch, meaning I already have some knowledge in a forex trading game already. I know the basics of it. I've had some lessons. You may call them advanced lessons or not here whatsoever. But the bottom line is I am not starting from learning what is PEEP, what is lot size. No, I'm not starting from a scratch like that. I'm starting from a point where I believe I've had fair knowledge about this whole forex trading game, and I'm going to put everything to test, and I'll be learning a lot. Okay, so in my plans, I've made a provision to study 8 hours every day, 4 hours in the morning, 4 hours in the evening. So this is how it's going to be. The very first 4 hours in the morning, I'll probably wake up by 4:30 in the morning, then start my learning from 4:50 to 6:50 in the morning, right? 4:50 to 6:50, that's 2 hours learning. Then later on, I come back to do back testing, or to find out, or to actually test out the things that I've learned and see if they are really something that are actually useful in the market, right? So I call it back testing. It may not be back testing, but I call it back testing. It's just like me putting the things that I've learned into practice, trying to find out for myself. Like ICT will always say, don't take my words for it. Go onto the chat and find out for yourself. So that's exactly what I will be doing. Okay. So that's be for the morning session, and the evening session, I will equally do that. 2 hours for the studies and another 2 hours for the learning. So when you combine all, it's going to be 8 hours in total for every blessed day. Listen, there's no day off. I'm doing this every blessed day till the 120 days. And let's see at the end of it if I'll become profitable or not. And if I become profitable, that means it is possible that every other person at all on planet Earth today can do it. Okay. So this is going to prove a point. That's if I'm able to do it, it's going to prove a point to everybody out there watching this video right now that it's possible to become a profitable forex trader. One thing that I've come across is that we actually do not need the amount of time that we kind of thought that we need. All right, we actually don't need that huge amount of time that we've been trying to say that we needed this amount of time to work on this, work on our goal, work on our dreams. So we actually don't need that amount of time. What we need is focus. All right, what we need is focus. So I'm just going to go all in onto this for the next 119 days. I think today is day 1, so it's out already. Let's see what the remaining days gonna bring our way. Either good or bad, we are in. And this is Godsway here, and I hope to see you at the end of this 120 days journey, and let's see where we will land. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and become part of this journey. And let me know in the comment section if you are joining from the very day 1. Let me know in the comment section. Just type in the comment section day 1 and let's go. All right.